You plan on braving the heat and doing some yard work. The Weekend Gardener has some tips on what kind of mulch to use because there are plenty of choices out there.
Good morning, gardening friends. We've been talking about saving water, how to garden and still have some water available to you and conserve at the same time. Mulch, that's the idea. Mulch is the secret to keeping the plants from a lot of stress, from a lot of water loss, from very frequent waterings. And you know what, it drops the soil temperature 10 or 15 degrees also. That makes a big difference to the root system and to the earthworms. Earthworms will now stay up in the upper surface as opposed to going down, and you know how important they are. So we're mulching. I like to use a mulch that imitates the forest floor. Every time we can look at nature and begin to understand the systems that nature has shown us, we'd like to imitate them. And so this mulch that's being used this morning is like that. It has the wood in there and the compost in there. And when you irrigate and when it rains, the compost will settle down on the soil and the wood will stay up there as a mulch. And the compost has nutrients in it, nice, slow-release nutrients. You know, you don't need to feed your trees anything other than some good compost. So, as you can see, we've now extended the space that we had previously mulched, and we're going out another foot. The tree has grown quite a bit, so we're going out near the edge of the tree this time and beginning to mulch those new roots that are out there, and a bigger area for nutrients to be available now. But more importantly, keeping the water in there. That's the one thing that we're really looking for. And remember, one other thing is don't mulch on the crown of the plant. Make sure the root flare is still visible. That's a very important thing too. As important as it is to mulch, you've seen people around town, they've got the mulch all the way up on the trunk. That's a good way to kill a tree. So mulch your trees. It's very important. We're going to have a long dry spell coming in front of us, and I think it's the best thing you can do for your landscape. At least save the trees with the limited amount of water that we have. For the Weekend Gardener, I'm John Dromgoole.